Your shoes are clean.
They are. So, first off, we have 2 worksheets. And we are going to complete them together. I have one as well.
This looks easy.
Yes. So we are going to first solve these problems together.
Yeah, you got the rainbow.
So let's first do 9 plus 1.
Okay.
All right, after we figure out our 9 plus 1.
Just add 1 to it.
Add 1.
Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and adding 1 more gives us
10.
All right.
Right next to the equal sign.
Okay.
Next up, we have our 5 plus 5.
Okay. It's easy.
All right. Next, we have our 4 plus 3.
Okay.
Ready?
Did you see it?
We have this many, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we add 1, we're adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 7.
All right, and our next and our last problem is 8 plus 2.
Okay.
So, just like you had 9 plus 1, what's 8 plus 2?
All right, we'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to add 2 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
10. All right, so let's go over our answers. We have 10. And we have 10.
Another 10.
And
7.
and 10.
10.
So which out of these 4 problems is the one that does not match the others? Yes.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Yes, that is right. And why does it not match the others?
Because you're not adding, you don't have, 7 plus 4.
Right, because we have our 10 and our 10 and our 10, and our 7 does not match these 3 10s.
Yeah, because there's 3
If you
10s
add
and 1
10
7.
If you add a 10 and a 10, you get 20.
That's right.
But
Alrighty.
If it was all 10s, it would be correct.
Yes, they would be all matching. So we have one mixed match.
I know what 1,000 plus 1,000 is.
Next up, we're going to
$2
count some
then.
coins.
I know.
Yay.
I know.
So we have our pennies, and we have our nickels, and we have our nickels and dimes,
What?
and we have our quarters. So we're going to open each bag and make them in a pile.
Don't make them all,
So this bag, I have 1 dime and 1 nickel. In this
Doesn't
bag,
a penny cost 1 cent?
that's right, a penny does cost 1 cent.
What? I got 2 like you.
You do have 2. In this next bag, so we're going to line them all up. We have 3 nickels.
Are we allowed to keep them?
Yes, you can keep them.
Yay.
We can. All right, we're going to count we're going to start by counting our pennies out.
I can put it in my wallet.
You can. We're going to use them for right now, and then we can keep them. We're going to start off with our pennies. So we're going to put all our
I
coins
know what
down.
this is. I can do it.
This isn't a
One.
game. This penny's
It
in a
is.
game. I
1,
play it.
2,
Can we put our
3,
coins
4,
down, and we're going to start
5,
counting out
6,
these coins.
7,
Thank you, Jace.
8, 9,
1, 2.
15.
So we have 15 cents because each penny is 1 cent.
Cent.
Next, we're going to go to a nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. So we have 5,
10.
15. Next up, we have 2 quarters.
So that's 20, 25, 30.
Then,
If we're adding them all together, yeah.
Mhm.
but if you put those ones on top, that makes 4.
That's right. If we have 2 quarters, how much is 1 quarter worth?
50 cents.
1 quarter is worth half of that. 1 quarter is 25 cents.
Oh.
With another quarter, that is 50 cents. So right now we have a group of 15 pennies, 15 cents worth of nickels, and right now this is our tricky one. We have 1 dime, which is worth
5. No,
I'm hungry.
This is worth 5. We have our nickel that's worth 5, and our dime is worth not 25 Not 5 and not 1. We have one more in between in there.
One more.
It's our special number from our first activity.
2.
10.
8.
So this is 10 and this is 5. And what do we have with 10 plus 5?
15.
That's right. So which out of these 4 groups is the one that doesn't match? If we have 15 pennies and 15 nickels.
Out of these?
Yeah,
These 2.
50 cents. That's right. Okay.
Is that a meeting you're doing?
Yep, I'm videoing me. Next up.
Sometimes I keep this in my ear.
Did you want to keep a quarter?
Thank you.
I want to keep half of them.
Half of them? All right, well, let's count them all out and we can do half.
Okay.
Half and half
If we have
is equal.
1, 2.
Ooh, I want to have one.
Eat them. That's what I brought them over for.
Thanks.
All right, we have to equal them out, right?
1, 2. Hold on, let me count them, okay. So, all the pennies were 15.
That's right.
Are you from my school?
I'm not from your school.
So,
From this school?
1.
Yeah.
It's fun doing tests.
Is it?
Mhm.
What grade are you in?
I'm 6.
You're 6. What? So do you?
First.
He's in first grade.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you keep that one.
Awesome job.
Thank you. I need pennies.
No.
I'll take a dime with me.
Good job. That was awesome. All right, next up, this is our last one. And now this is very special. We have some candy.
Yay.
Right? Okay.
I just ate candy.
So we have our Twizzlers. And in here we have 10 Twizzlers. And we have 5 designs. So some
Man.
of them have triangles and... What else do we have in here? We have crosses and squares. And we are going to match them with their shapes.
Promises are good.
Promises are good. So what shapes do we say that we can match?
Wait, do we have to flip them around?
Wait, those are circles and these
Those are circles, and your cheese balls are circles. Look at that. So we have our circles are matching. What other shapes can we match? Our crosses are matching.
Or just
Squares.
Like
Our squares are matching. Yes, our crosses
And
do
I
look
don't
just
know
like
what these are.
Oh, it's a circle.
What's this shape?
It has 4 sides.
It does.
Hexagon?
That's close.
What's the
It
letter
has
that?
a gun. P. It starts with a P.
Hexagon.
It starts with P.
Oh.
It is close like a hexagon. It's half of a hexagon. These two would make a hexagon.
Pentagon.
Yes, that's right. So we have a set of triangles, a set of pentagons, a set.
Plus.
We have, our crosses, our squares, and our circles.
Can we eat them?
Yes, you can eat them.
Yeah.
I don't like Twizzlers.
All right, that is all. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Look what we did. Awesome?
Now we're gonna pause this.
Yes.